What is the typical process for running a workshop?
Well, typically we get people to read the B book, but before we do that, we sit down and we discuss the client's strategy and what they want to achieve from the workshop. Reading the B book is a prerequisite. I mean, that's why we wrote it, to support the workshops. So the reason for that, we want people to be engaged, we want to have a common language, and we want them to have fun. During the workshop, we answer various questions and we complete action plans which the client can use immediately. Thereafter, there's two options. You can attend the Train the Trainer, or you can use my services and I can advise on how to implement the action plans that we've done.
So how long is a workshop and how many people attend?
A typical workshop is 2 days. We don't like to do 1 day for the very reason that there is a lot of information, and what we find through experience is people really absorb on the second day and they like to think about things overnight. On some of the workshops we give homework, but 2 days creates a great learning experience. Typically 24 people, we can go a few more people than that. I don't like to go above 30. We have 4 tables where we allow a lot of interaction and we get to know the folks, and that's what it's all about, is engagement.
Thanks very much, Paul.
Thank you.